Hello guys. Firstly, I'd like to thank everyone who have signed up for the YouTube member. I appreciate your trust in me and I assure you that you will get the value you paid for. So let's get started on the plan I have created for you guys and what you can expect as a member. Starting with the basics. To become a cloud engineer, we must first learn how to build applications in AOS using the management console. Then once you have learned how to build the applications in AWS using the management console, we will also learn how to build the same applications using DevOps tools such as Terraform, containerization with Docker, Amazon ECR and ECS, Ansible, CI/CD pipeline, and Python. To learn the skills I just mentioned, in our group, first we will learn how to deploy this dynamic website on AWS using the management console and this reference architecture. Once we have successfully deployed this application on AWS using the management console, we will now deploy this application using the DevOps tools I mentioned, which are Terraform, Ansible, containerization with Docker, and CI/CD pipeline. Following that, we will also complete various hands-on projects on how to use Python and Lambda functions to automate various tasks in AWS. We will complete one project a month, and you can add every project we complete in this member to your portfolio. Once we have completed all the initial projects I just mentioned, the members of the group will also have the opportunity to suggest the next project we will work on. In addition to the project, I will also share my day-to-day experience as a DevOps engineer, how to build your resume and how to look for work, and many other things. So if you are interested in joining this group, please click on the link in this video's description. I appreciate the gesture guys, and I'm also excited to take you on this journey with me. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.